Good morning, students. Now we'll learn how to connect torch bulbs in series connection. For this, I have taken two torch bulbs and already I have connected with holder and wire also. So how to connect? And I've taken 9-volt power supply. This is battery clamp holder. See, torch bulb looks like this. It has two contact points. This one known as body contact point and this one bottom contact point. And the holder, it costs around 10 to 20 rupees. One is known as bottom contact point and another one is body contact point. So by screwing this one, we can fix this one like this, and by loosening the screw, we can fix wires. So now I'm not doing, already I fixed this one, so I explain this one. Now let us come to the circuit. See this circuit diagram. B1, B2 are two bulbs. So B1, B2, or this one B1, B2, two bulbs. They are connected in holder 1 and 2. This is B1 holder and B2 holder. And the contact points are A, B. B1's A, B. So A and B are contact points. It has no polarity, so we can change, no problem. Now this one B2 torch bulb having contact points C and D. So this one C and D, they already wire connected. Okay. So now what we will do, we'll connect in series connection. B should be connected with C. So we are connecting this one. The DC circuit, so need not to worry. So we can do it. So I connected. Now these two terminal should be connected with the power supply. It has no polarity, so positive and negative end doesn't matter. We can connect simply. This way you can use. See, already connected. So all the equipments are connected in series connection. That means end-to-end manner. See, light is half, means voltage divided, current constant, voltage divided. Thank you.